Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can play videos or movies which are in the MKV format on your MacBook. So if you try to play any MKV video, you're going to have this message: this document, the file name could not be opened, QuickTime Player cannot open files of this type. So basically by default your MacBook cannot open or play MKV files. I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. Here I have a movie which is Central Intelligence and it is in an MKV format. The first thing that you're going to do is to open the App Store and you're going to download this free app called MK Player, MKV and Media Player. So basically this is a media player that is going to allow you to play MK videos. So I have already downloaded and installed this app. In order to play the MKV file, double tap with your fingers, go to open with, and by default it's going to show the MK player. For some reason if it is not showing here, all you're going to do is to press on launchpad, find the MK player icon and press on it once, and now it's going to show you this window. All you need to do is to browse your video. In my case it's in desktop in movies, and here is Central Intelligence. You're going to select your movie and you're going to press on open, and now you're going to see that it's going to play that MKV video or movie pretty easily on your MacBook. You can go full screen and whatnot, and here are a couple of options as well if you go to the MK player settings. Yeah guys, in this way you can play MKV videos on your MacBook. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.